Cause that bitch go pew when I shoot, it's on mute. That bitch go pew when I shoot, it's on mute. That bitch go pew when I shoot, it's on mute. Copycat nigga tryna copy what I do. Damn, that bitch go pew when I shoot.
हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल लेट्स वेंकी मिस। माय नेम इज तमन्ना और आज मैं आपको डेली स्किन केयर रूटीन बताऊंगी जस्ट इन 6 सिंपल स्टेप्स। सो स्टे ट्यून टिल द एंड टू वॉच ऑल दी स्टेप्स विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम। लेट्स गेट ऑन इनटू द वीडियो। So guys, step 1 is to wash your face. I use Neutrogena Deep Clean Face Wash. You can prefer whichever you want. Step 2 is ice cube massage. Do not use ice directly onto your face. Always use a cotton cloth. Place the ice into the cotton cloth and then apply onto your face, as it will not give any skin burns to your skin or any redness to the skin. Massage for at least 5 to 10 minutes and use 2 ice cubes, as this step helps to reduce the open pores, makes your skin tight, gives natural glow to your skin. It prevents from acne spots, wrinkles, fine lines. So you get so many benefits with one ice cube. It will also help to reduce dark circles and puffiness under eyes. And for better results, do it in morning as well as in night. So moving to the second step, toning your face. I am using the Biotech toner over here. Take the toner onto the cotton pad and then apply it on your face. Massage it gently all over your face, as it helps to close the open pores and clean them deeply, and there will be no dirt left into your pores and there will be no acne issues with this step. So do this step daily in the morning as well as in the evening. After applying the toner with the cotton pad, use your fingers and gently tap onto the face so that the excess product absorbs into the skin. So moving to the step 4, I am using the Essentials Facial Toner Pure Water Rose Water, and directly spray it onto your face and then leave it for at least 2 to 3 minutes so that the skin absorbs it deeply, and then use a cotton pad to massage it. And those who are thinking that why are we using this toner again, but the rose water have different benefits, as it helps to maintain the skin pH balance and also control excess oil. It reduces the redness of irritated skin, get rid of acne. Due to its antibacterial properties, rose water also aids in healing scars on your face and soften dark spots. Again, use your fingers to let the excess. So moving to step 5, face serum. I am using the Mamaearth Skin Correct face serum for acne marks and scars. You can use whichever you prefer and whichever suits your skin. It's not compulsory that you have to use this one, as it does not suit many of the skin types, but it suits mine. And then massage your face again with fingers and let the serum absorb into your skin. And serums are lightweight moisturizers which deeply deliver active ingredients into your skin. It gives your skin a firmer, smoother texture and increase moisture level. So moving to step 6, moisturizer. I am using the Pond's Light Moisturizer. This step helps to rehydrate the facial skin and can leave it feeling softer and smoother. It locks all the ingredients to the skin, keeps it moisturized overnight, and for best results, always take the moisturizer onto your fingers, rub it so that it gets warm and gets absorbed into the skin, and then apply it onto your face and massage so that the moisture absorbs into the skin completely. So all your steps are done here, and hooray, you're done. Now go to sleep. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like the video, share it with your friends, and for more such videos, hit the subscribe button below. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.